Hey, Dave and Drew, Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to the to your website here, and really go through the rankings and get on that first page, and really bring in that traffic coming in online, and really help grow your business here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing I'm going to go over is content. Google loves words, so really increasing your word count so you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is actually being found with those keywords. Even these images, this all has content in it. You can put keywords back there. That's going to help with your ranking so you can actually get on that first page and bring those leads in. Kind of give you an idea here. If I type in handyman Las Vegas, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map section here at the very top. A bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top as well. This GMB or Google My Business Listing, whatever you want to call it, to get to the very top while the traffic is actually happening. You're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and outrank them, of course. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in this listing. If I come back out of this and go back on that first page of Google, and to get your website found on this first page so you can actually bring those leads in, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking back to your website. They're just really drawing power from those, so you can get on that first page of Google and really bring those leads in. So kind of give you an idea, not all backlinks are created equal. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Awraps. I'm going to do an overview. Awraps is just a tool, lets you see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like this is a newer site here. You got two keywords, missing the traffic, no backlinks. I did stick one of your competitors here. This is Las Vegas Handyman right inside of Awraps. So here's their keywords that they're actually ranking for, their position as well. So kind of give you a couple ideas here. Las Vegas Handyman, there's 350 clicks with those backlinks and everything that they did. The first position is paying them out 229 clicks out of the 350. So they're getting a huge return on that one keyword just by those backlinks as well. Handyman Las Vegas, another 500 clicks every month. Second position, getting 58 out of the 500, and really just coming in, finding all these other keywords, Las Vegas Handyman, whatever, to really bring in a lot more traffic as well. And that's really how you're going to get your phone ringing off the hook and growing your business. Anyway, look forward to chatting with you soon. Talk soon. Bye.